Hello everyone. Today I want to show you something that I learned many years ago, and it's how to detect where there's an attachment to somebody's energy field. Very often what you'll find is that with the attachment, the person will often experience pain or discomfort in that area. But the first thing before removing it is to be able to detect where it is. So I know you're going to laugh because I made a sketch. I'm not a very good artist. I'm a better dowser than I'll ever be an artist. But let me show you what I did. I drew a left-hand side view, a middle view, and a side view, the other side view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my pendulum just this way to see. I'm going to outline the body with my pendulum with the intention to be shown exactly where there's a problem. And when I get to here in the leg, what happens is right here there's a problem. So I will mark it over here. And I will keep on going around to see if there's any other problems. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. So this is for someone that I know. I have that intention in my mind that this is him that I'm dowsing right now. And I'm going to see where else there is. I know already because I dowsed before that there's only two attachments. Are there more than two? No, I'm getting that only two. So I'm going to douse this one here. Is there anything here? No, 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 no. Oops. Let's do that again for you guys. So first I'm going to look under the feet, on the back, near the thigh, around the head, the face, the chest. Nothing on this one. But there may be something over here, so let's check again. Right here, my pendulum goes way out as I'm tracing this, so this spot here is sort of in the same line, as that one. And let's keep on going, see where else there is something. See how the pendulum doesn't trace the body? So he's got something going on this side over here as well. And when I check one more time, sorry, it's hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time. So he's probably got a pretty bad backache or something going on in this area. So now that I know that there's two, I ask, can we remove it? Can we remove these two issues here and here? So let's see what the pendulum says. It's yes. And I asked, so please, inviting in the angels, the archangels, the ascended masters, and all those beings of love and light that could do this for us, to please clear, remove, neutralize, detach any psychic cord, any non-beneficial attachments, any implants, or anything of that nature that is non-beneficial for this person. And when it's done, my pendulum will stop spinning. And all I have to do is say thank you. But it's still spinning, so it's doing the first one. It's also doing the second one. Please release it in the most appropriate way. That's done. So if I check again, is there any attachments here? No, it just traces the body. It goes up. Is there something here? Is there something here? No, it's still tracing the body. So we just got rid of two attachments. I don't know what they are. I don't know what they represent, but they weren't there in love and light, so let them go. My name's Alan. I'm the Mind Alchemist, helping you to have a better life.